baby squirrel use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady.
Hey you guys, it's Danielle the Diva. I am coming to you with an outfit of the day. I'm actually about to go into work, but I wanted to take a minute to just show you guys my outfit. So I woke up this morning feeling like a true 80s baby. So I was like, why not wear an outfit that reflects that? So what I have on today, just give you a little piece. It's a skirt that I found at DD's and just a regular fitted top that I have tucked into the skirt, and then my blazer, which is leopard print. So my skirt is like a teal color, and I will of course take pictures as always to post. In my blazer is a leopard print, so I'm doing like some color print blocking. So, and then of course I have my big hair, which is always reminiscent of the 80s. For my hair, I just did my go-to twist out with Bantu knots to kind of give it a little extra curl. And then my makeup, very minimum. I do have a little color on my lips, just very light. And you can see my earrings and my necklace, which I've had this necklace for years and just have not had the right outfit to wear it with. If you can see, it's like a black threading beaded into this gold kind of twine, and it hangs. And then of course my bracelet, which I showed you guys on my haul. So, and then my shoes, I just have some little flat some black leopard flats. So real simple, real quick, real easy. Again, I'll post pictures as always. Peace and love from your girl Danielle the Diva. Y'all have a great day and enjoy.